everybody, it's Karen Bentley here with the Sugar-Free Advantage channel. The Sugar-Free Advantage is your complete resource for healthy living and healthy weight loss on the sugar-free, low-carb, or keto continuum. And those three strategies have one really important thing in common, and it's awareness of sugar and the management of sugar to one degree or another. So in one way or another, you're going to be limiting your intake of sugar on a sugar-free, low-carb, or keto regime. And today I'm so excited because I have all these snack bars to review for you. Snack bars are tremendously confusing. There's so many choices. Yesterday I went to my grocery store to buy some snack bars for this product review, and it was just stunning. There was a half an aisle of snack bars. Oh my goodness, how do you make a decision? There's so many of them. And what I wanted to walk you through today is my decision-making process. How would I actually choose a snack bar out of 50 or 60 choices that are facing me? And how would you do that? And so I want to give you the tools and the information you need to make these decisions on your own when you're in a grocery store, or when you're in Walmart, or when you're in a drugstore or a health food store. How do you pick? This is how I do it. Now, I want to just let you know, as a daily food, I don't personally eat a lot of snack bars. I prefer to have fruit and nuts, or fruit and cheese, or some sort of fruit and protein. But I do eat snack bars if I'm out of the house and I'm on the road and I'm starving, and it's just a practical choice. And this is how I would go about choosing that snack bar. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a big wide cut. We're going to take this pile of 9 snack bars and we're going to whittle it down just by looking at the sugar grams. The first thing we want to determine is how many sugar grams are in the product, and is it 4 or less? 4 sugar grams or less is a really key detail, because 4 sugar grams is 1 teaspoon of sugar, and that's all your body can handle at any one time. More than that is too much for your body, and it will make you overproduce insulin and all the things you don't want to happen. So we want to keep it at 4 sugar grams or less. And the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to look at these products in no particular order. We're going to look for the sugar grams, and we're going to make one stack that's 4 sugar grams or less, and another stack that's 5 sugar grams or more. That's all we're going to do. So let's get started. Here's the first one, Zone, Barry Sears, very, very famous diet. A lot of people love it. Let's see what it has for sugar grams. Sugar grams are hard to find. You have to look on the back label. This one has 17 sugar grams. So this might be a perfectly fine snack bar for zone dieters or other eating strategies, but for a sugar awareness strategy, it's not okay for you. So this is a no. Next one, Organic Fit Bar, high protein weight loss bar. What does this one have? 1 gram of sugar. So this goes in our yes pile. We're going to put this in the yes pile. Then let's look at the Luna Bar. Luna bars are everywhere. Every grocery store has Luna bars. Every Walmart, every drugstore, every health food store. What about the Luna Bar? This one has 7 grams of sugar, so we're going to put that in our no stack. And we've got the IQ Bar. This is a keto product. What does this one have? This product is annoying me because they don't have a nutrition label on their wrapper, and we have to sort of figure it out. And it just says 3 grams of net carbs, so we're going to say it's in the yes stack. How about a Clif Bar? Another product that's everywhere. Do we want a Clif Bar? We're going to go to the back, and it's got 19 grams of sugar, so that's a no for the Clif Bar. Then we've got a Think Bar, a high protein bar. You got to go to the back, turn it around. 1 gram of sugar. Oops, 0 grams of sugar. So that's a yes. Then we've got a Kind bar. Kind is another brand that's everywhere. Is this a good choice for us or not? And it's got 5 grams of sugar, so it's a little over. I mean, we set a limit at 4, but this is 5. We're going to put it in a maybe stack, okay? We'll just put it in a maybe. Maybe there's other redeeming qualities about it, and we could squeeze that one in. And how about this one? The Bone Broth Protein Bar. What does this one have for sugar? Excuse me. 7 grams of sugar. Too much. And how about this one? The Munk Pack Keto Nut and Seed Bar. What does this one have? Less than 1 gram of sugar, so that's a yes. So we've got 4 no's. We're going to just say no to the Clif Bar, the Zone Bar, the Luna Bar, and the Bone Broth Protein Bar, because even though these might be great snack bars on other eating strategies, they're not great choices for a low sugar eating strategy. So we're just going to put them aside and forget about them. And we're going to look at our four yeses and 1 maybe. So let's start with the maybe. This is the Kind. It was a maybe because we're looking for 4 sugar grams and it has 5, but maybe, you know, it looks all nutty and it looks like it might be a fit in other ways. So let's just dig deeper and see if there's other clues. So the first thing is it's got 200 calories, and my target for a snack bar is around 200 calories. You know, if you get up to 250 calories, that's really more of a meal replacement bar, and anything around 200 or less is more of a snack bar. So it fits my calorie profile. Now let's see what the ingredients are and what is the sweetening agent or sweetening agents in this product, because there is always one. So the first ingredient is peanuts. The second one is chicory root fiber. The third ingredient is honey, that's a caloric sweetener. And the fourth ingredient is glucose syrup, which is sugar syrup. So this has 2 caloric sweeteners in the first 4 ingredients. And on top of that, it's got 5 grams of sugar. This product has too much sugar for me. I'm going to put it in the no stack. So we just eliminated our maybe. Now we're going to go to our 4 yeses. This is a Think bar. And this one has 0 grams of sugar. It has 230 calories, so it's getting up there in terms of calories, and it's significantly thicker than the rest of the snack bars that we're looking at today. I'm not familiar with this brand. The ingredients are a protein blend that has soy in it and whey. And then the next ingredient is maltitol syrup, and we're going to come back to that in a second. Then vegetable glycerin, then almond butter, cocoa, chocolate, and more on the list. Maltitol is the primary sweetening agent in this product, and maltitol is a sugar alcohol. We know it's a sugar alcohol because it ends in OL. That's a defining characteristic for most sugar alcohols, but not all. And maltitol is the most objectionable sugar alcohol. By that I mean that it is most likely to cause intestinal distress if the serving size is exceeded. So if you're just eating one of these, you're not going to be exceeding the serving size, so you're probably going to be okay. But if you're eating more than one, you might have mild stomach cramps, you might fart, you might poop. That's what they mean by digestive distress. So, okay, let's taste it. This is the Brownie Crunch. Pretty darn yummy. No, I liked it. That's pretty good. Let's look at the next one. The Organic Fit plant-based Fit Bar. This one is a peanut butter chocolate. 210 calories, so it's pretty close to my profile. 1 gram of sugar. And we're going to go to the ingredients list. It's got tapioca fiber, peanuts, vegetable glycerin, pea protein, chocolate coating, cocoa nibs, and then way down on the list we get to erythritol. So erythritol ends in OL, so we know that's another sugar alcohol. And it's the most desirable sugar alcohol because it doesn't cause that intestinal distress that we talked about with the other product that uses maltitol. This one uses erythritol. And so let's taste this one. Edible, in the grand category of okay, has sort of a unpleasant aftertaste. It's okay. Would I eat it? Yeah, I'd eat it if I had to. You know, I don't love it. It's okay. Let's try the next one. This is an IQ bar peanut butter chip. It says it's keto friendly. Again, this is the one that doesn't have a nutrition label, which I find very, very annoying. It just tells us that it has 160 calories, less than 1 gram of sugar, and the ingredients are almonds, tapioca fiber, peanuts, and allulose. So allulose is the sweetening agent in this product. Excuse me. Sorry. Allulose is the sweetening agent in this product. Allulose is a new sweetening agent. It's very new on the scene, but it's creeping into products because manufacturers know that consumers are looking at sugar grams. And through the magic of FDA legislation, they only have to count the carb grams and not the sugar grams for allulose. I don't know how they did it, but that's how they claim to do it. It's supposed to be a derivative of sugar, but with a chemical composition more like fructose. I will be doing a special video program on allulose because it is such a new sweetening agent and it is popping up everywhere. So anyway, if you don't object to that, it has let's see what it tastes like. Also in the grand category of okay. Don't love it, don't hate it. It's edible, it's okay. And then we have the last one on our list, the Keto Nut and Seed Munk Pack Bar. Just to refresh your memory, this has less than 1 gram of sugar. It has 150 calories, so it fits my calorie profile, it fits my sugar profile. Let's look at the ingredients. What does it use? Almonds is the first ingredient. Allulose, it's that sweetener we just talked about, where you don't have to count the sugar carbs, you just have to count, you don't have to count the sugar grams. The food manufacturer just has to count it as carbs. I don't know, it seems like FDA magic to me. Then it's got peanuts, pumpkin seeds, tapioca fiber, sunflower seeds, palm oil, and lots more. Let's taste it. That's yummy. It's a really nice product. I really love it. This is my fave for sure. It's got a great flavor. It's got great fiber. It's the whole nuts. The whole seeds, really delicious flavor, and it fits all my other criteria, so this would definitely be my favorite, the Munk Pack Keto Nut and Seed, if you can get it. The next would be, even though it's higher in calories, the Think Bar. This was pretty yummy. It's pretty close to a meal replacement bar too. And then these two that fit in the all right category. You know, edible and all right would be the IQ bar and the Organic Fit Bar. So there you have it. That's how I would do it. Again, I'm not a big enthusiastic fan of snack bars. They have a purpose in my life, and that's an emergency purpose for filling me up and making it fast and easy for me to eat something. But if you want to make them a part of your life and use them as a snack in your daily life, be careful how you pick them. Pay attention to the sugar grams. You want 4 or less. Pay attention to the sweetening agent. Figure out which sweetening agents work for you and which don't. You know, which ones do you like and which ones don't you? And then you want to look at the ingredients list and see what is this product made with, and do you or do you not object to lots of chemicals and additives. And once you sort through those, it really starts narrowing down and the decision gets a whole lot easier. So that's how I do it, and that's what I recommend for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of the Sugar Free Advantage family. Bye for now.